So if you live on the East Coast, you know the rain's been hitting pretty hard lately. So let's hit 8 awesome trails in 8 minutes. So walking Purchase wasn't the easiest way to start the year, but that's what made it perfect. It's chunky and technical, and once you drop into Nacho Supreme, it gets downright wild. Tight turns, rock rolls, zero room for error. It was my first ride of the season, and it hit like a wake-up call. Fairhill had the look of speed, but being our first time on the course, we held back at least a little bit. The flow was there, the corners were tight, the trail begged to be pushed, but we spent most of the ride getting the feel of the layout, figuring out the lines, and trying to learn when to open it up. I think next time we'll do a lot better. Ray's 2025 was something totally different. No weather, no mud, just endless indoor lines. Rollers, berms, skinny, all kinds of creative features packed into one massive space. It's like the ultimate playground for mountain bikers. You ride hard, session what you want, and never worry about what the sky's going to do outside. I love it. Sometimes you don't have to go far to find something new. I was riding solo that day at White Clay Creek, checking out fresh new trails, and it felt like discovering the place all over again. New lines, a couple surprise features, just goes to show you, there's always more waiting for you in your own backyard. No big plans for this one, no camera rolling at the start either. Just a quick ride to shake off the day, but sometimes those are the best ones. This after work ride gave us the golden hour light and a couple unexpected challenges, and the reminder that even a short spin can turn into something special. So Lake Nockamixon doesn't always get the love it deserves, but man, it delivers. Flowy lines, lakeside views, and the smooth trails that just let you ride. It's not the gnarliest spot out there, but when you're in the zone, it's one of the most fun places to be. Underrated, no doubt about it. Next was Little Gunpowder. It's all about the rhythm here. Punchy climbs, fast drops, sections that just push you to keep up your speed. It's rough in places, but that's part of the charm. You're always on, and when you link it together, it feels like flying through the woods. This ride wrapped up the last 3 loops at Lake Nockamixon, Eastern Woods, Jaywalk, and South Park. It felt good to finally check them off. The terrain was smooth in spots, rooty and rocky in others, with some muddy sections that kept things interesting. There's something rewarding about finishing what you started, and Nockamixon delivered right to the end. 8 rides and 8 stories, and a whole lot of dirt under the tires. Make sure you smash the like button, drop your favorite trail in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Some upcoming videos are: first up, we have Green Lane, a mix of rooty single track, tight turns, and scenic lake views. It's local, but it packs some real challenges if you know where to look. Next up is Brandywine Creek. Flowing trails, wide open woods, and a few surprising climbs make it one of the most underrated spots in the region. Then it's off to Pocahontas State Park. Huge trail system right outside of Richmond, Virginia. Smooth flow, tough climbs, and plenty of variety packed into every ride. We're also hoping to hit Mountain Creek and Bryce, 2 lift access parks, fast trails, big features, and serious fun. That was it. I hope you enjoyed it. Go check out some of the old ones, and we'll see you on the next one. And just remember, no matter your age or your size and what you're going through, don't stop moving. We'll see you.